Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. How are you? Hope all are you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NIEPS home school. This is Sonia Khan Joya, assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morniship, Dhaka. And today I am going to take Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the student of class 5 students. And our today's topic is chapter 3, topic 1 to discussion and short question 1 to 13. Look at the board, dear students. Our today's topic is chapter 3, topic 1 to discussion and short question 1 to 13. And our lecture number is 13 and homework number is 11. So my dear student, let's start out today's topic. Look at the board, student. This is chapter 3, historical place and artifacts in Bangladesh. Topic 1, Mahastangad and Wari Boteshwar. Bangladesh has got many significant historical sites and artifacts. And artifacts means an object made by a human being. They help us learn about important civilizations and cultures of our past. Number 1, Mahastangad. This historical site carries the testimonies of the history of Bengal for 1500 years from the 3rd century BC onwards. My dear students, BC is a Latin word and BC stands for before Christ, means before the birth of Jesus Christ. Mahastangad was known as Pundranagar during the Maurya dynasty. It is on the Korotar river, 18 km north of Bogura city. And my student, Maurya dynasty. Maurya means was an empire in South Asia based. Again I am saying Maurya was an empire in South Asia based. The relics found here include an old fort fortified with a ditch, an ancient Brahmi inscription, and what is Brahmi? Brahmi is the modern name for a writing system of ancient India. Modern system of writing in an ancient India. Religious relics including temple, earthen coins, plates, sculpture, metal beds. The engraved stone is 3.3 meter long. These all relics found in Mahastangad. Now second, Wari Boteshwar. This site combines two villages named Wari and Boteshwar at Narsindi district. It carries the relics of that time earlier than the Maurya dynasty of 450 BC. It is more connected with sea routes. It also had roads indicating early urbanization. The relics include silver coins, stone figures and beads. This is the stone beads and these all are earthen graved stone and sculpture. These all are found from Wari Boteshwar and this is the picture of Mahastangad. My student, look at the picture. Look at the picture of the Khodai Pathor stone. This is the Khodai Pathor stone and this is a sculpture and Khodai Pathor stone with an image of standing Buddha carved on it, and this is the sculpture of Buddha carved. And number D, complete this sentence. Both these sites carry history of Maurya dynasty around 400 BC. Both these sites carry history of Maurya dynasty around 400 BC. So Mahastangad history for Bengal 1500 years and 3rd century BC, and it is during the Maurya dynasty and it is on the Korotar river, and this relics are found in Mahasthangarh and Wari Boteshwar at North India district and Maurya dynasty of 450 BC, and these all are relics found in Wari Boteshwar. My dear student, now topic 2, Paharpur and Moinamoti. Paharpur. This site dates from King Dharmapala of the Pala dynasty. Dharmapala was the second ruler of the Pala Empire of Bengal region, and Pala is the name of a dynasty. AD 781 to 821, and AD is also a Latin word, and AD means year of the Lord Jesus Christ. Year of the Lord Jesus Christ. It is in Noaganj district of Rajshahi division. It has a 24-meter high mound which is known as Somapura, Bihar. And my dear student, mound means hill or hillock. This is called mound. This mound is a fascinating excavation with 177 monastic cells around an old Buddhist monastery. The other construction are temples, a kitchen, a dining room, and a brick drains. The relics include terracotta statues of animal. The student, what is terracotta? Terracotta is a type of earthenware, is a clay-based ceramic. So terracotta is a clay-based ceramic. And Moinamoti. Second one, Moinamoti, and this is the picture of Paharpur, and this is the picture of Moinamoti. The history of Moinamoti dated from the 8th century is related to the story of King Manik Chandra and his wife Moinamoti. It is near Kumilla city to the southeast of Bangladesh. This was a center of Buddhist civilization, though there are Hindu and Jain status. And my dear student, Jain is a Indian religion. Jain is an Indian religion, Indian old religion. Again I am saying Jain status is an Indian old religion. It was also a center of education with accommodation facilities for teachers and students. The relics include terracotta plates with wonderful decoration of animals like a mongoose fighting, a cobra, a running elephant, etc. The museum also displays coin and stone inscription. So my dear student, again I am saying Paharpur from King Dharmapala of Pala dynasty and AD 781 to 821. It is in Noaganj district, and its high mound which is known as Somapura, Bihar. This mound is also fascinating with 177 monastic cells, and there is an old Buddhist monastery, and there are other construction of temples, kitchen, dining room, brick drain. The relics include here terracotta statues of animals. The relics include terracotta and statues of animals. Then Moinamoti. Moinamoti, dated from 8th century, is related to the story of Manik Chandra and his wife Moinamoti, and it is near Kumilla city to the southeast of Bangladesh. And this was the center of Buddhist civilization, though there are Hindu and Jain status. It is also center of education, accommodation facilities for teachers and students. The relics include terracotta plate. There is also terracotta plates. Paharpur and Moinamoti, there are also terracotta plates with wonderful decoration of animals like a mongoose fighting a cobra or running elephant, etc. The museum also displays coin and stone inscription. Dear student, look at the board. This is a beautiful terracotta. This is a terracotta terracotta carving from Paharpur. This is terracotta carving and from Paharpur. Number D, write these characteristics under the right heading: Mount, Buddhist relics, monastic cell, 8th century AD, southeast part of Bangladesh, northern of Bangladesh. Paharpur, characteristics of Paharpur, Mount and northern part of Bangladesh. Paharpur characteristic: Mount, like here is high mount. Paharpur, there is high mount and northern part of Bangladesh, and the northern part of Bangladesh. And monastic cell, there is also monastic cell. Both monuments, Buddhist relics. In both monuments there are Buddhist relics, and both are 18th century AD. Both are 18th century AD. 781, 882 and 18th century. Both are 18th century AD. And Moinamoti, southeast part of Bangladesh. Moinamoti, southeast part of Bangladesh. So my dear student, now this topic is complete. Now we will start short question. Now short question, class 5, subject Bangladesh and Global Studies, chapter 3, topic 1 to short question, answer 1 to 13. 1 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. These 13 short question. Number 1 short question, name our 2 oldest sites. Bangladesh has many significant historical sites. They help us to learn about important cultures from our past. 2 oldest sites among them are Mahasthangarh and Wari Bateshwar. Number 2, which religion was followed in the 8th century? Buddhist religion was followed in the 8th century. Again I am saying, which religion was followed in the 8th century? Buddhist religion was followed in the 8th century. Number 3, who are the people who discovered our ancient sites? Many archaeologists discovered our ancient sites, and archaeologists who discovered our ancient sites. Archaeologists are the people who discovered our ancient sites. Means archaeologists are discovered our ancient sites. Number 4, where is Mahasthangarh situated? Mahasthangarh is situated in the western bank of Korotor river, 18 kilometers away from Bogura city. Number 5, where is Paharpur situated? Paharpur is situated in Noaganj district of Rajshahi division. Number 6, when was the Shampura Mahabihar or Paharpur site built? It was built in the period of King Dharmapala AD 781 to 821. Number 7, how many monastic cells are there in Shampura Mahabihar? There are 177 monastic cells in Shampura Mahabihar, of which civilization was Moinamoti a center. Moinamoti was a Buddhist civilization, though there were also Hindu and Jain status. Where is Wari Bateshwar situated? Wari Bateshwar is in the Narsindi district. Number 10, which civilization was connected with sea routes? Wari Bateshwar was connected with sea routes. Wari Bateshwar was connected with sea routes. What was the name of Mahasthangarh during the Maurya dynasty? Mahasthangarh was known as Punru Nagar during the Maurya dynasty. Number 12, there was the most ancient inscription of the Bengal found. My dear student, inscription means inscript or script. Where was the most ancient inscription of Bengal found? Brahmi inscription. The most ancient inscription of the Bengal was found in Mahasthangarh, and Brahmi is the old language system of an Indian language. Who was Moinamoti? Moinamoti was King Manik Chandra's wife. Moinamoti was King Manik Chandra's wife. And my dear student, this is your short question from 1 to 13. This is your short question from 1 to 13, and your homework number is 11 and short question 1 to 5. Short question 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 will be your homework. So my dear student, this is our today's topic. I hope all of you students have understood today's topic, and all of you students have done your homework and will submit on your homework on Saturday. So Allah Hafiz.